Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? Welcome to Happy Hashing, where we're going to be doing some crypto mining, a little crypto live charts, coffee and chill, amongst other things. On today's agenda, I'm going to be cleaning and taking off the thermal pads on this 1066 gigabyte. I got some Extreme Odysseys 1.5 mil. I did get this thermal compound from Amazon, I think for like 20 bucks, 15 bucks, something like that. But we're gonna go ahead and strip it down. Now, I am no expert.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Okay.
I am new to all this. I'm taking it up, I guess, as a hobby and learning from other YouTubers as well. So trust and believe we are gonna grow here. And well, hopefully you guys smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new and turn on that notification bell for new uploads. Well, let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start unscrewing this by each screw with my screwdriver, and well, get this thing taken apart. I'm not going to kill you guys with boring silence or anything like that. I am going to show you guys how to disconnect once I get there, but it's probably going to be more like time-lapsed. So enjoy the music, a little vibe, and let's get this thing apart. Going to take the rest apart, just for a simple fact. Certain cards you can just unplug one side and obviously get it all apart, but for, let's say, my EVGA, my 1060 that I have in my computer, you have to unplug both sides to be able to fold it out. It doesn't really have that much slack, but yeah, let's go ahead and start getting her cleaned up. I'm just gonna get the dye real quick. So I got the dye cleaned off. Oh, I like it. Nice and clean. Nice and shiny. Alright. Now I'm gonna start working on getting these thermal pads. Now, if you guys can see this, I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the whole thing just today, so I can actually show you guys up close. So I don't feel like bringing it in two pieces up to you guys. Just give me 1 second. Now, I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, why don't you got any old nose pliers right now? I have to get some. I mean, I have some, actually. I just don't know where they are. But yeah. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how corroded some of the thermal padding is. If you guys can see, it's like, it's still oily, but like, it's dry at the same time. Like, certain pieces are just brittle and falling off. So time to take those pieces off, and yeah, I'm probably gonna wipe this down too, get this all cleaned, the whole insides. Um, I do believe there is thermal padding underneath this, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and try to take this off. But I have to unscrew all these inner screws right here, so it's probably gonna be time lapsed again. And yeah, see you guys here in a little bit. Alright. Now, I actually want to take the time to show you guys this, and I don't know if anybody else noticed this, but you guys see where these little indents are? I don't know if it's just Gigabyte that does this. I'm actually going to check on my EVGA probably in 2 weeks or maybe a month or so. But there's these little nodes, little slits right there on each side, even little box slits. I'm trying to show you guys that. I don't know if you guys got enough lighting to see that, but yeah, I find that interesting. That's where your thermal pads go. Alright, got that done. This is very soft. It doesn't fray easy. I know there's a lot of people that are probably like, why are you using a cloth? A cloth is probably so bad. Don't do that. But I've used it before. I haven't had no problems. I even been checking for little white fuzzy things. But yeah, everything is clean. Here's our thermal pads. Right there, are decrepit, falling apart. But yeah, I see a lot of oil too. I don't know if that's like grease from the this stuff. But yeah, there's oil on the top of these little things right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe those down. Like I said, we're gonna get this whole board clean. Yeah. I don't even know how big this pad is. This is my first time getting these off Amazon. Or actually, first time even placing thermal pads. And this thing is small. Super small. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to make this last. And make some certain cuts where I need them. These, like I said, are pretty much, they're still good. Still healthy. They're not decrepit or falling apart like the other ones. They're actually still fresh. I can just I'm gonna wipe them down. Just use a dirty Q-tip. I know a lot of people are cringing right now. Just noticed something. I think whoever owned it before me tried to take it apart. See that little thing right there? I promise you that's not gonna be. Sorry if I just hit you guys. I'll go ahead and just wipe this down because it's a piece of metal. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put our thermal compaste found on right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little smear. Now most people just put it on there and then probably just put it back. I like to try to smear it out. Hey guys, everything's hooked back up. I'll go ahead and plug this into my regular computer. Alright guys, so next time we're gonna go ahead and actually build a mining rig. Sorry, I'm just messing around with this gimbal. All that next time. We are gonna hook this up. I'm gonna show you guys that I'm mining on Hive OS, and yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And then I'll show you guys how to set up a Hive account. Sorry it took me longer. This is a 45-minute video, but it's probably gonna get cut down a lot. But yeah, guys, much love. Stay safe. Stay positive. And well, always happy hashing. Peace out.